Okay, these parts are here. This is the fit. We use the pipe. We machine the pipe like this. We can replace your part. No need to open the new mold like this. The inner part in the fit. Okay, you put it. We also machine. It's smooth. Okay. About the ball, this ball is stainless steel. It's very light, very light, and I think the quality is better than the plastic ball. Also, no need to open the. Okay, you can put it. 你放进去了。Yeah, like this. Okay. Inverted. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let me know your opinion and idea. Thank you.